Yo, hello guys. I'm back again with now the part two of Jigsaw into ELS version 4. Let's hope that we're going to finish everything here. So last time we were left at setting up the weapons, of which we only managed to do the rifle. Okay. So I will set up the rest of the weapons so that once I am done setting up the rest of the weapons, I can now set up the sockets. So I will resume to the pistol. So I usually do rifle first, and I think this is the pistol. Full blueprint. Then have our ADS here. So I will copy from the pistol inside the ALS ADS project, and then you can do the same. And then from there, you can now tweak things, change stuff, and make it look as you wish or as you would love it to. So I'll just copy, then I will paste. I'll open this. Huh. I will add a socket, optic aim point. It, I will take it front first, not front here. Think there is good. 12.5 is good. Then this I'll take it back to 0. So at this point, if I take the pistol, see it's working. The socket needs to be rotated, I think by 90. Yep. Hmm. Yeah, so I will then go to the shotgun. Yeah, like I said, this shotgun, it's the same as the one that I am using from it's the same gun. Okay, just copy, and then here I will paste. I think I should also copy the socket since are same. For now, should I disable the IK? Let me just add it. The bone IK. Where is the bone IK? Wait. So the IK seem to be a little bit off. Uh, well, so without the IK, this is how it's going to look. The animation by default, it's a short barrel animation. So when you aim, you would notice that it's like the left hand. It is not on the. Or is it still using the IK? Yeah, it's still using the IK shotgun. It's left hand IK. Don't tell me you want to have issues with me right now. Come on. Open the animation blueprint and check what's up. Because it's supposed to be disabled. Can I will remove this now. Then I will come to graph. Left hand IK is oh yeah, everything is fine. Oh my god. Oh, I'm really sorry guys. It's because of the sockets. Yeah, I haven't set up the sockets, that's why they look kind of weird. But in overall, everything should be okay. So back to here, and then where is it? Use left hand IK. Okay. So the other thing that I did was that inside the jig character, jig character, this one here. So when we are attaching a several function change active slot, when we are attaching it the to the hands, I also did set relative transform and not anything. You have to use the root set relative transform. Let me confirm. It's this one, I think. The jig character. This target is a scene component set relative. So from this weapon, get root component, then set relative transform. This one here. Okay. Yeah, so the reason why I am using this node, I will first of all split this, is because let's say for example the rifle here, if I click on this, then socket, is really the one rifle. Let's see, currency attachment. Yeah, this is the one. Item data. Yeah, so the socket, this. So I need to open ELS space, then right here I copy this socket, paste it in here. So now if I hold the rifle, you'll notice that the socket is kinda off. Okay. Yeah, so when you're doing any other weapon with ELS version 4, and then you realize you are having a transform issue with your weapon mesh, to get the correct transform, it's always as easy as doing this. Navigate to the ELS props. Let's say for example the M4. Okay, you drop the level, and then under details you set everything to 0. Okay, then you now go navigate to your weapon. It's this one. Okay, yeah, so what you need to do is make it match. In this case it's supposed to be 90. Let me lower the speed of the camera, and then uh, say something like that. Okay, something like that, and back a little bit, something like that. So this 12.5, this is 11 or 10, 11, this is 90. Okay, so meaning if you use these values inside the jig character where I'm setting it, so 12.5, 11, and 90, 12.5, 11, 90. Your weapon transform should be correct. See, that's the trick. You can see it's perfectly correct and it's perfectly aligned without any weird issues. So you will have to do the same with all of your weapon meshes if the transform happens to be wrong. So that's why I added this variable get held transform, this one here. So I'm going to do the default values. Did I open it? Nope. Rifle, open this. So we've seen values 12.5, 11, 90. So that will be default value for all the weapons. If I recombine this here, I shouldn't be having any issues. Even if I equip the weapon in first person perspective. Good thing is when you unequip, it will go back to the right location. Okay, and yeah, so let's do the rest for the rest of the weapon very quickly. The next will be the pistol. Delete the rest of this. Pistol. Uh, Remember, you don't move the ELS mesh. You only move your mesh. Okay, otherwise it won't fit correctly. Kit fit. That it should. Well, it's for testing. I suppose you won't be using this 1.5. I think 6. I think. Yeah. So for the rotation, the pistols seem to be okay. So just go to the -6 and -1.5. So click on this 6, 1.5, 0. 5. So again, that's done. I test it out. Oh, the socket. Um, I'll have to copy this. PP store. So such sockets. Wait. Now, as you can see, it's kind of perfectly aligned. Yeah, so for the camera, I did forget to do the camera code. So the camera code is inside ELS space character. Navigate it through the event camera system and then lab camera settings and then open this choose camera settings. So this, instead of using held gun, we need to use get current active weapon. So this get current active weapon like that. Okay. And inside here, we need to add this valid here, just in case there is no component, so that you don't end up having errors. So if it's valid, we're going to use this. If it's not valid, we're going to use. So now the camera offset should work. It's working. Camera offset is working even when I lane. Okay. So now we are going to do the shotgun, BP shotgun. I'll just start with this socket, the right hand socket, BP shotgun. So for the shotgun, I will have to use same transform as the rifle, I think. Yeah, let me just copy the value from P shotgun. Here they are 10, 1.5, and then 90. Ten, 1.5, 90. Okay, because for that adjusting transform for this one was kind of hard. Yeah, I don't want to go through that process again. So as you can see now, okay. Uh, this I need to find a way to fix that because I don't like the way it's behaving. Uh, so also the attachments they should work. This one is supported. You can see the attachment works. If I happen to remove it, it's working for both the weapons. Support any other laser sight. Laser sight. Support laser. Come on, nigga. About the shotgun. So as you can see, everything is perfect. Yeah, for this shotgun thingy, the left hand IK, think it's because of the animation. I'm not even using the animation only. I am using the IK socket. So yeah, I will look into it. In the next update, I will be bringing fixes for that. So now let's finish up. How many minutes have I used? 6. So now let's finish up setting up the equipment. So back to the Jigsaw character. Up to this part we are done. Okay, this is your code for equipping server function change active slot. So now we need to get to other parts. So I think it's the helper component. Yeah, even it's there. So this is where we are going to do the code for dropping items. Okay, so we're just going to get owner, then als ref, then server set overlay state default. So this is checking whatever it is that we are dropping, if it's the active weapon. As you can see here, they are setting the active slot to be nothing. So also us, we need to set the overlay state to be nothing. So if I come here, I pick the shotgun, it is, then I hold the rifle and I drop it. You see, even in first person perspective. If I drop any other weapon, nothing will happen. But if I drop the one that I'm holding, he will go back to the rifle state. So that's it for there. Very easy. Now for the other one, I might have forgot the name. Let me confirm. Let me confirm with this bad boy. Yeah, here. Equip actor to socket. Equip actor. So this code here, actor ref. bit more clear. So this actor ref, it's this. This is a local function variable. So from inside here, we're going to get owner. Oh, first of all, we are going to get owner, and then we're going to get ls_ref, and then we're going to get current active weapon. Get current active weapon. Then we are going to check if it's equal to this one. Okay. If the weapon that we are dropping is equal to that actor, that's when we are going to server set overlay state default. Again, we are going to reset the camera. Server reset camera offset. Like that. And if it's not, what are we going to do? Oh, yeah, and here if it fails, we are still going to get the current. If it's not, we're going to check if it's valid. You know what? To make things clear again, variable, call it ls_l. L plus clarity. Uh, let's say, like sometimes I notice that there might be some issue, like it might fail to reset. That's why I added this. So in case that the current weapon is not the actor ref, so it is going to check if you are still holding a weapon. Otherwise, if you're not holding a weapon, then just set to default and then reset the camera. Okay. Yes, so I believe from here everything is crystal clear. Now to the jig character. Let's make sure everything is clear as well. I think I should also promote here to a local variable. Yeah, it's optional. For me, I like things looking kind of clean. Less L, meaning it's a local variable. I believe now that's a little bit clear to understand. So I just promoted this to a local variable so that I can connect it here to make it a little bit clear. So right now, if I equip this gun and then I press X, you see it's going back. Okay. And if I hold equip another weapon, 3, I can press X to go back. I can drop one of this till only. Okay. And so for the weapon equipments, I would say we are completely done. The only thing that you might need to do on your end is to maybe retarget the animations. They are all kind of accurate. Also, the collision is working. So there's a video that I did to show you how to edit the weapon collision and stuff for you to understand how the system works. You have Voltress here. I did a video on how to edit these values, things you can do for you to achieve maybe something unique on your own, you know. So up to that point, what am I forgetting? So here in the jig helper. Yeah, so also for the owner of the asset, if whatever it is that I am doing, it's kind of wrong, like especially for this part, yeah, feel free to kind of like reach me out. For me, this way it worked, and I've not had any issues so far, even if I play as clients. Let's see. So will just hold this. Click. Nothing is being reset. Press X. Breathing like as if you're dying. What the fuck, man? Yeah. Ah, let's do a collision trace for this in-game weapon ref. Think this needs to be done on local player. It's locally controlled. I almost forgot that. Disappearing. There's no error. I'll just move them down a little bit. So yeah, if you don't have this macro, This what's inside is locally controlled. If it's true, yeah. So now let's uh, create a new trace channel. Then we will call it wall trace. It's going to block everything. How block it? So for the ragdoll, we need to block visibility, overlap camera, visibility, overlap camera. Yeah, pay attention to this one. The reason why I'm doing it this way, it's because at the moment, if I try to kill one of the players here, they will refuse to die. They will die locally. Okay. Come on. Oh shit. Come on. Why not, they're not taking damage? He's not taking damage. So let's first of all fix that issue. Inside the ELS and in blueprint, update graph. Yes. Then in the fortress, this we're going to use fortress. Then main, this guy to ignore fortress. Let's just do collation. I think that's yeah. Collation profile. Why? Mine firearm class. Okay, and then after that, we will the same for the attachment. The name of the attachment. Or collation. No collation. 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 Okay. See now. This guy is not taking damage. What have I messed up? Hope I haven't messed anything up because it's not supposed to show this way. Okay. Okay. So pawn ability. Fractal and character mesh. Oh man, does that mean I'll have to? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I will do it. It's the jig. So character event graph load damage event your container. That's for reloading. To change. Check magazine. Left mouse button. Fire. Call start shooting. Fire a bullet. Oh, so they are doing with visibility. No, the mesh here. Mesh is blocking the visibility. Why is damage not happening? That's not even supposed to be happening. Oh. I've messed up some collision settings. Let's check. Pawn. Uh, seem to be okay. Let me restart the project. If that doesn't fix it, oh, now we're at 50 and I've missed something and I don't want to try again. Okay, yeah, in overall everything is done. The only thing of collision settings, I don't remember which collision settings did I change that might have caused all this adding this. See it? Trace. Camera. Ability overlap. Mesh. Apply here. happened? Come on. What have I messed up? Don't think there's anything. King. Let's talk. Actor. Interact. On interact. Get interact option. Good. Set. Oh, man, I don't know what I just messed up. Uh, uh. So I'm going to manually debug in firearm class. Get damage, target hit, strength, strength. Oh man, so now I have to in local attachment. Okay, so this happening. Rolling. Um, mm, mm, Prince. See. Projectile. Uh, yeah, so it's now 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Man. Don't worry, I'll just tell you where to skip from. You will have to skip from somewhere. Print string. Fill. Did hit. On heating. Yes. String. Big on damage. On damage. Character. Apply any damage. Dang. Damage apply. Why is it behaving like this now? Starting to hate it. 1 hour, 10 minutes. Mm. Projector. Shooting string damage. Frame. Dead. Oh, okay. So this thing here is what is costing it. Let's start with event begin play. Things. Used. Oh man. I don't know how to find. So this life into here is dead already. When the game starts, the player appears to be dead. Oh, anyway, do it on tick, 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 tick event. So everyone is dead. What's setting this guy to be dead? Uh, Take him. Damage. Mhm. 5. It's true. Mhm. Ta-ta-da. Health system. This is not in use. So it is not because of the collision. It's because of this variable is alive. So I'm going to find out why this variable just decided to go to false. I don't know. I don't know why. Yeah, but up to this point, I will say the tutorial is kinda complete. It's only that small issue. And then once I get to understand why, I'll let you guys know. Bye bye. Bye bye.